Where we at, Babyloni?
Merced.
How do you say Merced? Merced. We're in a farm town, kind of like Ruskin, Florida. We got our Dutchy Bros. Good coffee. Better than Dunkin'.
Yeah, screw Dunkin'.
Especially Dunkin' and New Mexico. Wow, what a terrible experience. 1 sprinkle on our sprinkled donuts. Wild. All right, heading to get some donuts.
Not even one, it was like half of
Yeah, I had half of a sprinkle on my donut. Pathetic. As you may recall from our last video, we had to skip Sequoia National Park because there was forest fires in the valley. Unbeknownst to us, there was also fires raging over in Sacramento. And you'll see that affecting the air quality and our visibility as we made our way towards San Francisco. Wow, so smoky. It's like there's like a fire going on or something around here. This is insane, look at this. Look at this. How's your donut?
It's good.
It's not very sweet though, right?
No.
Okay, it's like
very
different, very bready.
It's rich.
Rich?
Yeah.
I thought it was kind of plain. It's like good texture, but it's not very sugary.
I like that though.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You can't see shit.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Looks like fog, but it's all smoke. Crazy.
We're gonna smell.
We're gonna smell? I always smell. Alright, so we're heading towards San Francisco from Merced.
Merced.
Like, people are camping out here. It's awesome. Camping! Woo!
Wow, they have a nice setup.
Yeah, those are pretty big tents. Oh, look at it.
Wow.
Part of their home is coming at us. What a time to visit California.
Oh my god.
Whip it.
No, we're not Livermore yet, but we're close. That's crazy. Wow, this is insane. This is cool.
It's like fall colors.
Yeah. Hopefully we see some.
The hills are alive with the sound of the wind. Something of that nature. Alright, where we at, baby?
San Francisco. Check out the city.
Pretty sick. Look how choppy it is.
Good old San Fran.
Take my word for it, it's pretty choppy. There's the port. Here's the bridges.
We're just get over to the city.
Oscar, welcome back to San Fran.
Oh,
Ozzy, another city to add to your bucket list. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, made it to San Fran.
Good old Sandy Franny.
I hope we make it out of San Fran too. Once we got to San Francisco, we headed up to the famous Twin Peaks for an awesome view of the city. And we could see the Golden Gate Bridge off in the distance. And as you'll hear, the wind was absolutely crazy. The dirt. From Twin Peaks, we headed to Land's End to reach our westernmost point on the trip. It's where Full House was filmed. Wow, there it is. That one right there.
You look at where
They remodeled the outside of it. Cool. What do you think, boys? You get car sick yet?
Yeah.
Ozzy almost did.
Yeah.
Where we at, baby? San Francisco. Look at this guy. Woo! Geez, we're at altitude now, right? Sea level. Land's End was awesome, and we wish we had more time to explore the area. But from there, we headed to get a nice view of the Golden Gate Bridge before we'd cross it. We're on the Golden Gate Bridge, just crossed it. Wow, bucket list. That was cool.
That was so cool. Oscar, did you like that? Ozzy, did you like that?
Yeah, Daddy, Mommy.
Daddy. There it is.
All right, where should we go? Vista Point?
I don't know.
Sausalito. Right, Ozzy? And as you can see from Ozzy's face, the split roast chicken at the Joinery was delicious. Joinery, how was it, Babs?
Good. My tummy nice and full.
Ozzy, did you like the chicken? Did you like it better than the leash? No. This is a cool spot. Just north of the Golden Gate. Buddy, you gotta learn how to walk on a leash.
It's too good for leash.
Oh. He just likes playing tug of war.
So pretty here. Little dog park we found. We parked right by. It's perfect because now Ozzy gets to just run around and play ball. Let's play ball. Look, you got a friend, buddy.
Now we're gonna head to Nevada, back to the north. We'll see ya.
To the dirt.
To the dirt.
Oh. After a nice dinner in Sausalito and a quick break for the dogs, we headed towards Sacramento and headed east on our journey. We got stuck in some pretty bad traffic outside of Sacramento and also kept noticing this thin ribbon of light on one of the hills. After putting two and two together, we figured out it was another fire raging on the side of a mountain. After stopping to refuel in Sacramento, we continued east towards Brady's Hot Spring, dispersed camping just outside of Fernley, Nevada for our coldest night of camping yet. Oh, that's right. Where we at, Babs?
Middle of nowhere.
36 degrees out.
Yeah.
Freezing. Make sure to stay tuned as the road less traveled heads east and continues on the journey. Until next time.
To the dirt.